This is the construction of the circumcenter of a triangle. I'm allowed to use a compass and a straight edge. To start with, I'll be given a triangle. Sometimes you'll be given names for the vertices of the triangle, but even if you're not, it can be a good idea to write them in to help you keep track of what's happening. I'm going to call the vertices A, B, and C in this case. To construct the circumcenter of the triangle, I want to construct the perpendicular bisectors of two of the sides and find their point of intersection. So I'll start by picking a side. I'm going to start by picking the side AC, and I'm going to construct the perpendicular bisector of AC. The line AC is this line here. So I first of all take my compass and make sure it's open to greater than half the length of the line AC. Once I have done that, I'm then going to take the compass and put the point first of all at A and then draw an arc. And the arc is going to go right below and right above AC. Then I'll move to the other end of that line and I'll do the same thing. I'll draw an arc that goes from below to above that line. Now I have two arcs that intersect, and I'll join these points of intersection to make the perpendicular bisector. I now repeat these steps for another side. I'm going to choose the side BC. So again, I'll start by making sure that the compass is open to greater than half the length of this line. I can leave it the same if I like as the previous time if that radius is greater than half the length, and in this case it is. There's no need to adjust. And I'll put the point at one end first of all and draw an arc and then repeat on the other end. I'm going to start from the point B and I'm going to draw an arc that goes right through the line BC. And then I'll switch to the other end of that line, so to the point C, and I'll draw an arc above and below that line BC. And you'll see there how, because I didn't adjust my compass, it runs into one of the arcs I had drawn previously when I was bisecting AC. Now we identify the points of intersection of the arcs that we drew for this line BC. One point is here, and if I follow around, I can see the other point is over here. I join these points of intersection to make the perpendicular bisector. So this line that I've just drawn here is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Finally, I identify the point where the two perpendicular bisectors meet. And in this case, it's this point just here. This point is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC.